Welcome to my chefing. My name is Chef Fran. This is my sous chef Ian.
How are we doing today?
And today we want to bring you a wonderful spinach.
Spinach quinoa salad, Mama.
Yes. And all of our ingredients here are something that's totally healthy for you. And I think that you guys will really enjoy it. And if you are a person who is vegetarian, you can omit the turkey bacon that we have. But my life is always filled with two things that I love. What are they, Ian?
Bacon.
Bacon and cinnamon. I love bacon and
Yeah.
cinnamon. So wherever I could try to sneak them in, I do. Now we don't have the real bacon that I love, what I call the real bacon, but we have turkey bacon because of my wonderful friend Ian.
Thank you,
Why,
Mama.
Ian?
Because I come from a different Jewish religion and we don't eat pork.
So he doesn't eat the swine, but that's okay. We still love Ian and we'll still eat the turkey bacon.
Thank you.
So again, omit it if you are a vegetarian or if you're a vegan, you don't have to have it. So I will tell you our dressing. I used actually 2.5 avocados and just cut them into some little cubes. I put a little salt on it, a little black pepper, and some lime juice. So as we know, avocados, apples, they tend to oxidize when hit with the air. So to make it last a little bit longer, you just want to put some lemon or lime juice on it. Some form of acid, but those two preferably. The quinoa that we use is actually from Ancient Grain. And it is the trilogy, what they call the trilogy, which is your white, your red, and your black quinoa. So that's what we use. And all we did was cook it with a little chicken stock. I love to cook with chicken stock, or you could use vegetable stock if you don't eat any form of meat, because it gives your food really a lot of flavor. And if you don't have it, that's okay too. Water and just a little salt and black pepper and some olive oil will work just as well. And of course we have a turkey bacon that we already cooked up. And over here we also have our dried raisins and dried cherries. And we have our honey roasted pistachios. And this beauty here is some fresh salad dressing that we made. The base for our salad dressing was mayo. So you can use, if you're not someone again who eats any form of eggs, you could use primal mayo, or you can use a vegan mayo. And I had cut up half an avocado to put in there, and I put 2 tablespoons of wine, and I put a tablespoon of lime for the acidic in it, and I put just probably half a teaspoon of brown sugar. And the reason I did that is because the acid tends to be very pungent and strong. And just some black pepper and salt, and just blend it up. And that's how we have our avocado dressing. So now, before we get into assembling our salad, I want to get into our vitamin content here. Our spinach, which is the star of the show, has vitamin C, E, K, calcium, and it really is truly a great source of iron. Then we have our wonderful pistachios here. Our pistachios are rich in vitamin B, B6 actually, and it helps maintain the health of your nervous system. And it's really strong for your immune system as well. And it helps prevent cell damage. Now we also have here our dried cherries as well. I know they look like cranberries, but they're actually dried cherries, and golden raisins. And your golden raisins is a good source of iron, copper, potassium, and also has B6. Whereas your dried cherries has potassium, calcium, iron, magnesium, vitamin A, C, B6, E, and folic acid. So it really has a lot of great vitamins. But it's also truly good for your heart, and it helps reduce heart disease. So have some cherry in your life every day. You can have some cherry that's raw, or you can have it dried. Now we're going to go to our avocado. Our avocado has vitamin C, E, B6, and it is part of what, Ian?
Pardon me? I didn't see that.
It has your vitamin C, E, B6, and it is your...
Healthy fats.
Very good, Ian.
Definitely healthy.
Love it.
Yes, thank you.
And we have our other star of the show, and it is your quinoa. And again, like I said, this is the white, the black, and what they call red, but it looks more brownish quinoa. And that has your iron, copper, thiamine, B6, fiber, and great source of protein. It comes from South America, quinoa. And your turkey bacon, which again is optional, but I have to have bacon in almost everything. So your turkey bacon has B6, B12, niacin, and iron. So these are all our vitamins for our wonderful salad. And it's really quick to put together. Once you cook the quinoa and you cook your bacon and you make your dressing, it's just putting everything together. And we're going to do that right now. We're wearing gloves, Ian and myself, because it's extremely important, because all of these foods have been cooked or they're in its natural state. And so you don't want any cross contamination, even though you're going to mix the food together, but giving it and serving it to other people, you don't want anyone to possibly get sick. So it's really important that you wear gloves so there is no transmission of germs of anyone getting sick. And all this food is what's considered RTE foods. Ian, what is RTE?
Ready to eat. And I'm ready.
Ready, right out of the shell, right out of the
right
bag, or right out of the pot. So you don't want to be having your hands in that. And so you want to make sure you have gloves to protect yourself and your friends or family or whoever you're with. But at the same time, if it's just you that's going to eat it, you don't have to have any gloves on. Before we go back and introduce our star salad back in the mix, I wanted you to be able to see our infused water that we did. And it's lemon, lime, and orange. And Ian helped me cut them up. And he placed them so beautifully in our infused container. And so I'm going to let you know right now that lemon has your folate. It's rich in vitamin C, and lemon nearly doubles the amount of vitamin C needed daily. And your lime has vitamin A, C, E, B3, and B5. And it's an excellent source of vitamin C as well. But limes have pectin, which positively benefits your cholesterol. So if you're someone who suffers with cholesterol, try to incorporate a little lime in your life. And orange juice, well, oranges are made from orange juice, right? So orange has your vitamin C, your folate, and calcium. And one orange contains 100% of your daily recommended vitamin C. Isn't that something, Ian?
Unbelievable.
Wow.
Really.
I can't wait for us to drink this water. And obviously, I can't wait for us to eat our wonderful salad. Like I mentioned, bacon is optional. So we have bacon on the side. And we have our dressing on the side that you had seen. I had explained to you how to do it. And all I do to top our spinach quinoa salad is that I put a little bit of crunchy bell peppers. And that's usually sold like in the supermarket in the salad section. All right.
Well, Mama, how do we say it?
Bon appetit, and you better love every bite.
Yes, Mom. Loving every bite.
All right, so I am gonna put my, I gotta get my bacon. It's not my real bacon, but turkey bacon is actually very healthy for you. So, and here is my dressing.
Wow, it looks so nice like this.
Get a little dressing here. Okay. Okay. It's nice and thick.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Ooh.
All right, so bon appetit, right?
Bon appetit.
So, Gotta have a piece of my
Gotta
bacon, my
everything in it.
avocado.
Every little bit in there, one shot.
See, I got my little raisins here. Where's my dried cherries? Ooh, and I see the nuts. I gotta get my nut in here. I gotta get my nut. Okay, where's my little crunchy? I gotta get everything here. Here's my crunchies. Here's my dried cherries, my raisin, my avocado, my quinoa. And I have my bacon there, my spinach. Good. So creamy.
That's what I was about to say. It's very creamy
So creamy.
and crunchy.
Crunch is important.
Yeah.
This is really good. The balance of the little bit of a sweetness, a little bit of the saltiness, making it totally sweet and savory. Healthy salad. Very simple to make. I encourage you all to try to make this. You could put the bacon, not put the bacon, put the real bacon. Whatever you want to do. The salad dressing is very simple to make as well. All you need is half an avocado. You need to have about 1/4 cup of mayo. You need to have 2 tablespoons of the wine. So you can have that acidity and that fluid to be able to go through as you blend it. And you need a tablespoon of the lemon juice. And you need just a pinch, I would really say probably like 1/4 of a teaspoon of brown sugar. Absolutely delicious. I am loving every bite of this. Totally good. So please don't forget to give us a hug, a virtual hug, by clicking the like button. We would love to hear from you. Please leave your comments, your suggestions.
Be part of our family.
Be part of our family, Ian said. And we'd love for you to subscribe so you can see every video that we have that comes out weekly. Thank you so much.
Have
We
a
love
beautiful
you.
day.
Bye.
Bye-bye.